Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a really exciting video because I'm going to be doing a tutorial and review on Soph and Makeup Revolution's new Extra Spice palette. So this is what the palette looks like here. Like, how pretty is this? I love rose gold, and this is what the shades look like inside there. So like, how stunning are these shades? Like, you have like shades in here for like all year round. Basically you have spring, summer, autumn and winter shades in there, which I'm loving. There's 18 shades in this palette, and there's a mixture of mattes and shimmers in here. All the shades that I've tried in this palette are crazy pigmented. Like, they are so good. Like, trust me, they're so good. And not only have I got the eyeshadow palette, I've got her new lipsticks as well, which are in kind of creamy finishes. So there's 3 of them, and how stunning is the packaging? Packaging is just to die for as well. Rose gold, everything. So yeah, there's the shade Syrup, which looks like that. Then we have the shade Fudge, which looks like that. And then we have the shade Cake, which looks like that. So yeah, I'll be swatching them on my lips near the end of the video. So if you want to see how to get this eye look, those lip swatches and my overall thoughts on this collection, then let's just get started. Okay guys, I've already primed my eyelids with the L'Oreal Infallible Pomade, and now we're just going to move on to the eyeshadow palette. Again, this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. How stunning is this? Like, I think it's so pretty. Like, she's done an amazing job with the packaging. And again, this is what the shades look like inside. So today I'm not too sure which eye look I'm going to go for. Like, I want to do something that's quite bright, quite kind of like sunset-y sort of thing, and I want to add some shimmer in the eye as well. So I'm just going to go with the flow and see what I end up with. So I'm going to start off by applying the shade Running Late in my crease. That's a really pigmented shade, like, I'm loving that. Okay, now I'm going to pick up the shade Sweet and Sour, and I'm just going to apply that more precisely into my crease. This is another gorgeous shade, and it's super pigmented as well. Okay, I'm now going to take the shade Chocolate Orange, and I'm going to apply that into my crease as well, just to deepen up the eye a bit. And I'm going to use my Sigma E25 again for this. How pretty are these shades? Like, they are so pigmented, it's unreal. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to pick up Cheesecake, which is this gorgeous kind of brownie shade here. Looks so gorgeous, this shade. I'm just going to apply this to my outer corner sort of thing. Okay, I'm now going to take a little bit of Brownies. I'm just going to apply this to my outer corner as well here, just to give like a smoky edge. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the crease a little bit before I apply some shimmer, and I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pomade to do this. Okay, I'm now going to apply the shade Dreams. Okay guys, I'm just applying a little bit of Infinity into my inner corners there, just to give like a little bit of a pop. Okay guys, I'm just going to apply some eyeliner, and then I'm going to do my face makeup and then come back and finish up my eyes. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've finished up my face makeup. So I'm just going to go back to my eyes and apply some shadow on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to really layer up my lower lash line with most of the kind of orangey shades that we used first. So let's go with Running Late. I'm now going again with Sweet and Sour. Then going in with Chocolate Orange. Now Cheesecake. Then I'm going to pick up Dreams and just apply that kind of closer to my inner corner, just like here. Then taking a little bit of Infinity and just applying it to the inner corner as well. Now I'm just going to run a waterproof eyeliner in my waterline. So I'm just going to use this one from Rimmel, that you see Exaggerate eye definer in the shade Noir. I actually think I need a new one of this because it's not performing like as well as it used to. You know, like I have to really kind of keep going back and forth to like let the, you know, the black come through, because before when I like first got this it was really jet black in the waterline and I was just like with one stroke sort of thing, but now I have to sort of keep going back and forth with it, so I think it's kind of like drying out, and I have had it for like probably like a few years. Like it lasts such a long time though. Okay, so I actually want to push a little bit of black up towards my lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of like, I'm just going to take Brownies because that's quite a dark shade in the palette. So I'm going to take that just on this little angled brush from Iconic London. I just want to make my lower lash line a little bit more smoky. So I'm just going to focus this more like right up against my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just going to apply mascara and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I'm going to apply that quickly and then I'll be back. Okay, so that's it for my eyes, and I've went for a more kind of coppery bronze eye look, which I'm loving. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and these shadows are like so pigmented, it is unreal. Like they are so gorgeous. So now I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to swatch her 3 new lipsticks. So how pretty is this packaging? Like it's stunning, like rose gold, like it's everything. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Syrup, and this is what that one looks like there. And I love in the actual lipstick there it's engraved with Soph. Like I love that little detail, it just makes a lipstick so much better. Now I believe these have like a kind of creamy finish to them, so I'm really looking forward to these, and you guys know I love creamy finishes. Yeah, super creamy. So this is what Syrup looks like on, and I'm loving this shade. It's like a brownie nude, but it's not like too brown, it's more like a muted brown. So like I just love it. It's like a shade that you could wear like every day, you know, no matter what your eye look is and everything like that. I love this shade. Like it's really creamy as well, like super moisturising on the lips, and I love the kind of slight sheen glossy finish, because obviously the cream finish, you know, like I love anything with a little bit of a kind of sheen off, like a shine should I say. Next shade I'm going in with is Cake, and that's what that one looks like there. Another gorgeous shade. Oh, so pretty. So guys, that's the shade Cake, and this is another really gorgeous shade. It's a mauve nude. It doesn't go with this eye look obviously, but this shade in general is so pretty. You know, it's great for an everyday basis. So yeah, another stunning shade. And then the last shade is Fudge, and this is like a rich chocolate shade. So this is the shade Fudge, and look at my lips, it looks like melted chocolate. Like this shade is so stunning, like, and with that glossy, well not glossy, with that creamy finish, like oh, it just looks so nice. Like I love this shade as well. So guys, that's it for the lip swatches. I've just added a little bit of Syrup on top of Fudge there, just to kind of nudin it up a little bit. But yeah, like how gorgeous was all those shades? That they were so pretty. I love the kind of creamy and moisturising finish that they have. Like they are just to die for. Like you need to pick these up. They are so like affordable. They're from the drugstore and the shades are gorgeous and the formula is just amazing. So yeah, I absolutely love them. The eyeshadow palette is also stunning. Like, there's nothing that I don't like about this palette. Like, it is so gorgeous, like from the packaging design to the actual shades inside and the formula of the shades. Like, it is just the most stunning palette and the best eyeshadow palette that I've tried from the drugstore in a little while now. I think they've done an amazing job with this eyeshadow palette. Like, it's just so gorgeous. Like, I love there's a mixture of mattes in there and shimmers, and they're all super pigmented, like so pigmented. There's not much fallout from the eyeshadows either, which is great. The shades in here are perfect for like all year round. You know, you've got these kind of olive greeny shades in these mauvey purple shades just here, which is great for like the autumn and winter time. Then you've got like the bright yellows here, the oranges, the pop of kind of pinky reds here, which are great for the spring and summertime. So like, this palette overall, you can wear this all year round. It's just so gorgeous. I love the mixture of mattes and shimmers in there as well. So yeah, gorgeous palette. You need to get your hands on this. So yeah, I absolutely love this collection, and congratulations to Soph and Makeup Revolution. Like, it's such a stunning collection. So guys, that's it for this review and tutorial. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this eye look and what you think about this collection as well down in the comment section. Remember to come and follow me over on Instagram. I'll leave my handle just right here for you. And give this video a big thumbs up if you did like and enjoy it. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.